Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you have access and the right permissions. This prevents wasted clicks. Next, open the mapping tool and load the det overlay layer immediately so you see markers. Once done, set filters for date range, det type, and geographic radius in kilometers. This narrows results and speeds processing. Make sure to save a quick preset if you will repeat searches, because presets retain filter logic and reduce human error. With the overlay visible, zoom to the target area and switch to 16:9 view to preserve spatial context while seeing more surrounding data. Then refine by collapsing clusters and toggling the density heat map so you can spot hot spots quickly. Once clusters reveal promising zones, click individual markers to inspect records, check ID, amount, and status, because that detail directs your next actions and lets you prioritize highest risk locations. When you identify a det location, validate it by checking the address geocoding confidence score so you know how reliable coordinates are. Next, export the selected results as CSV or save a map snapshot to preserve your findings and share with stakeholders. If points are missing or look wrong, refresh the layers, clear your cache, and reapply filters. This fixes most sync issues. If that fails, rerun geocoding for the suspect addresses and confirm results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.